Okay, so in this problem, Bryn has a sticker. I drew it for you. It's beautiful. And it said that the area of the sticker was 196 square centimeters. And she wants to put the sticker on a piece of paper. And now you wouldn't want any of the sticky stuff hanging out over the edge. So I want it to fit perfectly on the paper. It says the minimum side length. So I know there are bigger squares that she could put the sticker on, but I'm looking for the smallest side length that would fit this sticker perfectly. So essentially, I'm just trying to figure out what is the side length of that sticker. And I think maybe that was a confusing part of the question, is the way it was phrased. So what is the side length of the sticker so that I could fit it perfectly onto a piece of paper, and then it wouldn't have any overlapping and it wouldn't overhang it. So I know the area of a square or any 2D shape is, or any square or rectangle is length times width. And since this is a square, say that this side length is x, I know that this side length would also have to be x because they're the same. So I know that my length is x and I know that my width is x. And they told me that the area was 196. Okay. So again, we're to the point where we could guess and check. Something times itself has to equal 196. So I could pick something for x and just guess and see if it works. Or I could realize, oh, this is the same thing as x squared equals 196. And I know to do that, I can square root both sides to solve. So square rooting a square gets rid of it. And the square root of 196 is 14. Now, again, to put the square root into your calculator, you have to hit the second button and then the x squared button to get that. And we talked so much about how when you solve these equations, you have to have two answers. But in this situation, there is only one answer, and it's positive because since we're measuring the length of a sticker, we're not going to have a negative amount. So in this case, it's only going to be a positive 14. So if they give you the area and they ask you for the smallest side length that could work, it's going to be solving this type of problem. If they give you a cube and they want the smallest side length, it would be the cube root, not the square root. Okay, let's have you do one more practice problem on the Google form and see if that makes sense.